Number 8. In air, the speed of sound s in meters per second is a linear function of the air temperature T in degrees Celsius and is given by S of t is equal to 0.6 T plus 331.4. Which of the following statements is best interpretation of the number 331.4, which is that number there? And then it gives us some options. The speed of sound in meters per second at 0 degrees C, the speed of sound in meters per second at 0.6 C, the increase in the speed of sound in meters per second that corresponds to an increase of 1 degree Celsius, and or the increase in speed of sound in meters per second that corresponds to an increase of 0.6. If we look carefully at this function, s of t equals 0.6 t plus 331.4. This value here is temperature. T stands for temperature. So it's written in y equals mx plus b format. So whenever 0 is our value for their independent variable, in this function we have t, that means the only value that's left over is the y-intercept. In this case, is 331.4. The speed of sound in meters per second at 0 degrees C. So if we plug in 0 for t, 0.6 times 0 plus 331.4, the 0.6 times 0 cancels out to 0, and we know that the speed at 0 degrees C is going to equal 331.4. So that means that A is our answer.